In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 0x800b0003 Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead on New, then create a text document, as you can see. After that, just double-click on it and hit Enter. The commands you would find available in the description below, as you can see. Now just go ahead to File. After you do that, click Save as and from here. Just give it another name, choose the destination, then do another name. As you can see, whatever name you want, just to remember it, and after you do that, just go ahead, click on Save. Also, click on All Files, click on Save, and now the second thing you need to do is to go ahead to CMD, which is Command Prompt. So now just go ahead to Search Menu, type in CMD. After that, click on Run as Administrator, and as soon as you enter it, you will see the commands happening automatically. So as you can see, just give it some moments to scan, and you will be all good to go. So after that, if the problem still persists, you can go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.